Today we're exploring the artist's house, hidden deep in the trees. With me is Urbex and with Sean, and exploring with Mike 744 just there. Now let's go and explore.
Yeah, don't go too far out yet. Make sure you see
Caravan.
it. Oh, you can already see it. Bit of surprise. You can get in through this side here.
Yeah.
You don't have to traipse through all that. No, you're going first.
So that's caravan.
A couple of times.
Oh, there's a drop there. I'm guessing that's what it's called, the artist's house, because it's art everywhere.
I'll let you judge when you get in, but yeah, it took up.
Soft. Floors a bit.
Yeah, it's
Is there a basement?
No.
Oh, that's right. So far I'm seeing art everywhere.
They weren't there last time, they're brand new glasses.
Jesus, I can't move.
It's definitely gotten worse then.
Oh, we've still got the old plates and everything.
Oh yeah, it's still fully stocked.
I haven't seen many of these time capsules recently.
There's not many.
Used to do them all the time, but
they're getting few and far between now, aren't they?
yeah.
Let's see if the books are still here. Give you a clue to his background.
Yeah.
No, they've gone because they were on here. Oh no, there's one.
Wind power.
That's what he was. He was a wind turbine engineer.
This is a bedroom. There. Beds.
There was some teddies on there. Teddies have gone.
It looks like everything's freaking gone. It's been trashed. Oh look, who could that be?
I wonder. Yeah, it used to be full of pictures, paintings that he'd done.
I don't know.
They just all got trashed. Apparently the story is, he took apart, he bought this farm.
Yeah.
He was raising cattle from young.
Yeah.
Breeding them. There's loads of photos in the bedroom. Yeah, so
That's some old Kodak things, isn't it?
and then there's a barn around the back.
Yeah.
And that was his art gallery. Now they said that there was a fire.
Yeah.
They both died in the fire. But I can't see anywhere where there was a fire where they would have died.
Yeah. And that's the people who own this place.
In fact, let me put one of my stickers up there. Yeah, if you go, when you go through it, go to the left, that's where the main bedroom is.
Yeah.
But careful of the floor.
What's with all the tablets?
I know.
Vitamin B, folic acid, gentle iron, fucking everywhere. I'll get some photos before we leave as well.
Yeah, I'm gonna
before we leave this main building.
Get some photos.
There are more tablets there. on the little shelf. With an ornament there, but it's got no head.
Yeah, try looking, yeah, this is very stodgy, especially when you go towards that end.
Yeah.
That would have been a nice lampshade, that. There was books under here.
There was a book here, but I don't want to touch it, it's got shit all over it.
They've gone.
There's that book there. Guide to prescriptions and medicine. Why would you need a guide to that? Bit strange.
Yeah.
Cardboard of Christmas paper.
That's one of his paintings.
Oh yeah, I found all the photos. Here, there, everywhere.
Yeah.
Go into this room first. Fucking hell, man. The floor. What happened in the bathroom? It's like flooded.
That's definitely been trashed, hasn't it? It's been trashed more.
Look at that.
Yeah.
And you got a basket half in deep in water. Oh. Ah, so this is. Ugh.
Teddies have gone, there were some on the shelf.
Yeah.
What's on the letter? That's new, with them flowers and glasses.
Rest in peace. Please pay respects to the lady who sadly passed away at this home. And then it's got a picture of her with kids.
That wasn't there last time I come.
That's been set up purposely.
Yeah, it has.
So that's the paranormal team came here and they've got in touch with a lady, and then they matched it up. That's an old book. Maps. "21st Century Encyclopedia," it looks like. Self-defense for women. All the books up the top there.
Dr. Michael, Megan and Christina Ann. And if that was them. Give you as much respect as we can. Oh shit.
Thousands of photos. They're all Dave I was looking
That's
at.
been laid out after, that wasn't like that.
Still clothes and that in there. And hangers.
Yeah, there was pictures on here.
Modern wind turbine production. Tractors. They travelled a lot then.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Oh, there's so many freaking photos. I'll be here for fucking hours just to go through them.
Yeah.
White
There's
cottage.
The cutting.
Yeah, we'll get some
December
photos.
the 4th, 1966.
Yeah.
That's right. There was a picture on there of the front of the house.
Could be literally anywhere now,
Yeah.
couldn't it?
Could have thrown it anywhere.
There's so many.
With turbot, that's this.
Right, the same as this one that I was looking at.
Yeah.
So I was just looking
Sail
at
fun. Granddad's windmill.
That's modern wind turbine power production. So you can definitely get the artist side of things, but there's a lot to do with the photos and wind turbines.
Yeah. Well, he was definitely into his wind turbines.
I don't get with all the tablets over there. Might call it the Pell House. Right, so. Little camper. Caravan. It's the house I've just done.
There's another paint in there.
No painting, that's destroyed.
Thought you were doing some small chicks or ducks or something in here.
Yeah. Is that another building there?
Oh, yeah, there's another 2 or 3 over there.
Oh, I thought it was just that.
No.
Does that look like coal? That's coal, isn't it?
Yeah.
Thought so. I was looking at it, I was like, that's got to be coal.
The girders actually fell down now. Yeah.
Tiles.
No, it's not coal.
What is it?
It is cool.
Yeah?
That's very soft coal then.
Yeah, it's cool. Well, mind you,
Look at his face.
unless it's fake coal. If that were coal, you wouldn't have mucky hands.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So where's that girder?
That was right in front. Chubby little face.
Thank you.
Oh no, it's this one.
Oh, we get. Oh, yeah.
At the back,
Yeah.
heat lamps in them. So they were definitely chicks of some sort.
Yeah.
Wasn't it winter when we came?
Somehow. These are definitely big. I don't think they'd be cows.
No. Sheep.
Pigs.
Yeah, sheep, pigs.
The one. That one's all stuff.
Yeah.
That way the two paint engineer.
Nice chairs chilling up there.
What the hell is this from?
Gardens.
Really?
That wasn't there last time. That's another one of those. There was one on here. Obviously it's gone. There was lots of stuff. There was all artist stuff as well. You know,
Yeah.
your pens, your
Yeah.
paints, all that lot. A few bottles on the wall.
Look like people were taking shots at them. Because of the way they're broken.
This one we're going into now would say was the main exhibition hall.
Ah. This just trigged my memory.
What?
This just trigged my memory.
Yeah.
Yeah. Years ago, I saw a video of this place, and it was full.
Yeah.
I remember this place. I didn't realise it was this place though.
Statues though.
That was
There's a
that.
statue on there.
Because I remember this now.
See, but why have we got to do that?
Yeah, they literally wrecked them all. But there's a lot more than this. A hell load more. I remember watching the video from ages ago.
Just respectful little pricks, aren't
Yeah. Is that a statue?
they? They look like some of the pictures end up in there. Look.
See this really left hand?
That's a statue, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. But yeah, I remember this place now.
This.
Why is this even new?
2015. Let's tell me all about it.